Hello everyone, I am Venkat Kotta, IIT NEET Senior Faculty in Physics. I have 18 years experience. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Students, today we are going to discuss special cases of parallelogram law vector addition. Already we discussed in previous video parallelogram law vector addition and magnitude and direction of resultant vector of two vectors. Now special cases on that. Special cases. First case 1. If two vectors A bar and B bar are acting simultaneously in same direction. So therefore here A bar and B bar acting same direction. A bar, B bar acting same direction. Angle between them is what? 0, sir. Angle between them is 0. Angle between them is 0. Then magnitude of resultant vector is R equal to, we know the expression. So sir, A square sir plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Yes. What is the theta? Theta is 0. Substitute theta 0. So cos 0 is how much? A square plus B square plus 2AB cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, sir. Therefore here A square plus B square plus 2AB cos 0 is 1 root over. That is A square plus B square plus 2AB. We know that A plus B whole square under root. Here root square. Root is nothing but whole power 1 by 2. So A plus B whole square whole power 1 by 2, which is equal to A plus B. So R is equal to A plus B. R is equal to A plus B. So here the maximum value of cos theta is 1. Maximum value of cos theta is 1. When theta equal to 0, cos theta is maximum. That means here A plus B, R equal to A plus B, this is the maximum value. So here, if two vectors act in same direction, the magnitude of resultant vector is maximum. R maxima equal to A plus B. Yes sir, R equal to A plus B for this case. Suppose here, listen, A vector this side, B vector also this side. 10 Newton, 15 Newton. Acting simultaneously at a given point is same. So 10 Newton, 15 Newton acting in the same direction, resultant is 10 plus 15. 10 plus 15, 25. 25 in which direction? In the direction of A vector, B vector. In the direction of 10 Newton and 15 Newton. 15, 10 acting this side. Resultant also same direction of that one. Therefore here, sir, we know the formula, sir. Apply here. Therefore here, listen students. Tan alpha is equal to, we know the relation B plus A, B sin theta by A plus B cos theta, sir. Therefore here tan alpha equal to B sin 0 beta, sin 0 by A plus B cos 0. So here B sin 0 is 0. So here B into 0, 0. 0 by something A plus B, which is equal to answer 0. Tan alpha is equal to 0 beta. Alpha equal to 0 degree. So that means here alpha equal to 0 means angle made by resultant vector with A vector is 0 here. Alpha equal to 0. That means suppose here A vector this side, B vector also same side. That's why here A bar plus B bar, it is nothing but like this. This is the R bar. R bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Right. Then second case, sir. Second case. If two vectors acting opposite to each other. If two vectors acting in opposite direction, if two vectors acting in opposite direction, here two vectors acting in opposite direction, that's why here r bar, so therefore here magnitude and direction, sir. So theta is equal to 180 degrees, suppose now, opposite is 180 degrees. Therefore here first one, sir, r equal to root over a square plus b square, sir, plus 2ab cos 180. Tell me, cos 180. Cos 180 minus 1. So here r is equal to root over a square, sir, b square plus 2ab cos 180 minus 1 minus 2ab. This is the expression of a minus b whole square. R is equal to a minus b whole square under root. R is equal to a minus b. This is the magnitude of resultant vector of two vectors when angle between them is 180 degrees. Okay, sir. So here cos, in cos minimum value minus 1, cos 180 minus 1, maxima, cos maxima, cos theta maxima is 1, cos theta minima is minus 1. So that's why here r maxima, r minima, it is nothing but minima beta, minimum value of resultant vector. This is the maximum, this is minimum. So here the magnitude of resultant vector lies between these two. When theta is equal to 0, a plus b, theta is equal to 180, a minus b. That's why here it never less than r maxima never r value is never less than a minus b, never greater than a plus b. Suppose here 10 Newton this side, 15 Newton this side, 10, 15 same direction, resultant 25. Clear? Sir, 15 this side, 10 opposite, resultant 5 Newton. Sir, some angle is there, some angle 30 degrees. What is the resultant? We apply r square, a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. This value is never less than this one, a minus b. Never less than 5. Never greater than 25. Yes. Sir, clear, sir. So then, therefore here tan alpha equal to resultant mag direction b sin theta, b sin 180 by a plus b cos 180. Cos 180 minus 1. Sin 180, 0. That's why here tan alpha is equal to 0, sir. Alpha equal to 0. Alpha equal to 0 means angle made by resultant vector with a vector is 0. That means more. That's why here in the direction of resultant is in the direction of bigger one. A is bigger. A minus B na. So that's why here A is bigger. That's why here alpha is equal to 0. Alpha equal to 0. What is the direction of resultant? When they are opposite to each other. When they are opposite to each other, the resultant vector in the direction of AB, bigger one, stronger one. Yes? Okay? All of you write it. Okay, third case. If two vectors acting simultaneously, acting perpendicular to each other, then what about magnitude and direction of resultant vector? Yes, sir. Magnitude of resultant vector root over a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. But theta is 90 degrees. A square plus b square root over plus 2ab cos 90. We know that cos 90 beta. Cos 90, tell me. Cos 90 is 0. This is the 0. 0 into something? 0. That's why a square plus b square under root. Okay. This is the magnitude of resultant vector of two vectors when they are perpendicular to each other. Sir, here what is the direction, sir? We know that tan alpha is equal to b sin 90 by a plus b cos 90, no? Right? Sir, this is the b bar, this is the a bar, are mutually perpendicular to each other. X axis, y axis, right? Y component by x component. So y component by x component. Y component is nothing but what? Y component is magnitude of a vector. X component is magnitude of a vector, because here both are perpendicular to each other. That's why this is the alpha. This is the r bar. Yes, sir. Tan alpha is equal to b sin theta. Sin 90 is 1 by a plus b cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. That's why tan alpha equal to b by a. Alpha is equal to tan inverse of b by a. Yes, sir. Tan inverse of b by a. Suppose as a equal to b. As a equal to b, your answer is, which is equal to a square plus a square. 2a square. 2a square under root. That's why root 2a or root 2b, same meaning, sir. So a equal to b, that's why. Therefore, here alpha equal to tan inverse of b by b. b by b cancel. That is 1. Tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 is nothing but what? Tan inverse of 1 is nothing but 45 degrees or pi by 4 radian. Okay. Next, last case. If two vectors acting some angle, two vectors, suppose here like this better. Here two vectors are there. So one is this side, another one this side, right? So here this is the point O, A bar, B bar. The angle between them is more than 90 degrees. Angle between them is more than 90. But here resultant is perpendicular to one of them. Perpendicular to A vector. That means here alpha equal to 90 degrees. Alpha equal to 90 degrees, what is the angle between A bar and B bar? And magnitude of resultant vector. So here from here, so we use R is equal to parallelogram law vector addition, a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, right, sir? But here we want first cos theta, then we get the magnitude of resultant vector. But here it gives already direction is given beta. Direction is alpha equal to 90 degrees, sir. Then theta equal to how much? We use tan alpha is equal to b sin theta by a plus b cos theta. Yes, sin alpha is nothing but, so tan alpha is nothing but sin alpha by cos alpha. Sin 90 1 sir, cos 90 0 sir, which is equal to b sin theta by a plus b cos theta. Suppose here cross multiplication, sir. A plus b cos theta is equal to simply b cos theta is equal to beta. A plus b cos theta is equal to 0, sir. Yes, 0 into b sin theta 0. That's why b cos theta equal to, tell me all of you, a minus b, sir. Cos theta equal to minus a by b. Yes. So that's why this value substitute here, we get answer. So r is equal to root over a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta minus a by b, cos theta minus a by b. Here, which is cancel, bb cancel, a square plus b square, 2a minus a, minus 2a square. That's why range r is equal to a square plus b square minus 2a square. Okay, sir. R is equal to root over b square minus a square. This is the magnitude of resultant vector and direction of resultant vector when if two vectors making an angle greater than 90 degrees and the resultant vector is perpendicular to a vector, then magnitude of resultant vector in terms of magnitude of a vector b vector, and angle between two vectors two vectors cos theta equal to minus a by b. Okay, thank you students. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.